Respected sir and ma'am, good morning to one and all. This is L. Vasant Kumar. I am pursuing 10th standard at Lokshi Tutorial. Today, I want to present an interesting seminar in front of great people like you. Now, I am saying complete seminar regarding principle of metallurgy. Before I am starting the seminar, I want to share very important few lines in my today's seminar. So please imagine yourself how my seminar will be there. Today my seminar will continue with important questions 1 mark, 2 mark, 4 mark and 8 mark. Maybe these questions will come in public exams also. So my humble advice is please watch my video from starting point to ending point. The topic is principle of metallurgy. In this lesson, the metallurgy is very important for 1 mark. The same question asked in public exam for 2 times. What is metallurgy? The metallurgy is nothing but extraction of crude metals from their ores is known as metallurgy. The ore is nothing but it is a very important component in every metal is known as ore. In this lesson, very important formulas and the words formulas is there. I will show the formulas. This is the ore. These formulas. These metal symbols. First ore is bauxite. These appear as metal, aluminium. Al2O3 into 2H2O formula. Copper iron pyrites. It is defined as in the copper. The formula is CuFeS2. Metal symbol is Cu. Next zinc blende. It is defined as zinc. ZNS. The metal symbol is Zn. Next topic is magnesite. Magnesite is a formula is MgCO3. It is defined as magnesium. Epsom salt, MgSO4. In this Epsom salt, the combination of magnesium is there into 7H2O. The metal is magnesium. Horn silver, AgCl, nothing but silver chloride. The metal is silver. Pyrolusite, MnO2. The metal is Mn. Hematite, Fe2O3, Fe, this is iron. Zincite, ZnO, Zn, this is zinc. Rock salt, this is naturally NaCN, sodium chloride, sodium. Ore is cinnabar, HgS, Hg. Magnetite, Fe3O4, it is appear in iron, Fe. Galena, PbS, these appear in lead, Pb. Gypsum, with the heating of gypsum, you will get plaster of Paris. The formula is CaSO4 into 2H2O. Metal is calcium. Limestone, it is equals to calcium, CaCO3, calcium carbonate, Ca, calcium. Carnallite, this formula is KCl MgCl to 6H2O. Potassium chloride, magnesium chloride into 6H2O. The metal is magnesium. These formulas are very important for 4 marks. They will ask in public exam for 4 marks. The same question asked in public exam previously 2 times. Once observe. In this session, reactivity metals is there. The reactivity metals is there in descending order. I will show the reactivity metals which is high reactive or moderate reactive and low reactive metals. Here we observe high reactive metals. potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, and aluminium. These are the high reactive metals. These moderate reactive metals: zinc, iron, lead, copper. These are the low reactive metals: Hg, At, Pt, and Au. This is for 2 marks. The same question asked in public exam for 2 times for 2 marks. These are the very important for public exam. And next topic is, do you know friends, in the factories how the iron will be produced, how the metallurgy process will occur. First level is concentration of ore or dressing the ore. In the concentration of ore, there are 4 levels: hand picking, washing, froth flotation, magnetic separation. First, we will discuss about hand picking. Hand picking is nothing but, example is in our daily life, we are thinking, no, in the factories the iron pyrites, iron nails, all will be there in the factories. There will be, through the with the help of hand, they are picked the impurity substance in any objects is known as, in any mixture the impurity substance will be there. They will be picked out with the help of hand. This is the process is known as hand picking. We will move to next topic, washing. Washing is nothing but the pure substance with the impure substance. They will be wash and wash. Example, in any iron, they will be rusting, means they will be wash. They will be continually washed for 4 times. Then they will be considered as, the next level is froth flotation. I will show the picture of froth flotation. This is the picture of froth flotation. This is useful for the purification process in any metal after the washing process. This is compressed air. Here the gangue particles are there. When the metal will be purified, the gangue particles will be appear. The gangue is nothing but the waste production in any metal. Sulfide ore particles. Here the main role occur in the presence of sulfide ores. Water contains pine oil. Here this is the pine oil layer. Froth bubbles carrying sulfide ore particles. In the presence of froth flotation, we will observe the purification of metal in the froth flotation. And next topic is magnetic separation. This is the picture of magnetic separation. In the presence of moving belt. Here moving belt occur, one wheel is magnetic wheel, this is non-magnetic wheel. The magnetic will attract the magnetic components and the non-magnetic components will attract to the non-magnetic wheel. This moving belt, the magnetic components and non-magnetic components will be moved at a certain place. It is powdered ore. Here the ore particles will be appear. This stand. By this way, the concentration of process will occur. This is the first level in the process of metallurgy is going in the factories. The levels are hand picking, washing, froth flotation, and magnetic separation. And next process is extraction of crude metals from their ores. In this also 3 levels is there: extraction of crude metals in top series, extraction of crude metals in bottom series, extraction of crude metals at moderate series. First, we will discuss about extraction of crude metals at top series. Here, the carbon and carbonates will heating with in the absence of air. Here, the sulfides will be produced, sulfides and ores. And next topic is extraction of crude metals at moderate series. Here, extraction of fluid matter occur in the absence of air. Nothing but calcination process will be occur. And here the low melting point and the low boiling point, the zinc lead this type of metals will be appear in the moderate series. In the low extraction of fluid metals occur very melting point and low melting point. Here minus 200 degrees will be present, and here the purification process will occur. These are the levels in the extraction of crude metals from their ores. It is nothing but metallurgy process. There are three levels, no? Extraction of crude metals from top series, extraction of crude metals at moderate series, extraction of crude metals at bottom series. These are the levels are very important for public exam for 4 marks. The same question asked in public exam previously 3 times. So listen carefully. These are the levels are present in the extraction of crude metals from their ores. We will move to next topic. Purification of the ore. Here the purification is nothing but the magnetic components or the useful components or non-useful components will be removed at a certain place is known as purification. In this purification process, 3 levels is there: distillation, liquefaction and pooling. First level is distillation. Here the low melting point like zinc, lead, these are the flow at a certain floppy surface. This is known as distillation, and it is purification process. And liquefaction, here high melting point materials are converted into liquid state, and it is converted into liquid state, they will be flow at a slopy surfaces. It is also known as pyrochemical process, and here the heating process will be occur. This is known as purification process. And next process is pooling. Here the pooling process will be occur in the presence of distillation and liquefaction. Here the metals are purified into the very important substance, and an example for non-magnetic compounds is converted into magnetic compounds. These are the changes occur in the presence of distillation, pooling and liquefaction. These are the stages are there in purification of the ore. We will move to next topic. Do you know, friends, how the rusting of iron will be occur? Example for here, observe the rusting of iron will be occurred. Why do you think? Yes. Here rusting of iron will be occur in the presence of water and oxygen. When the metal will absorbed by water and oxygen, the metal is converted into rusting. So I will show a lab activity for how the corrosion process will be occur. Which type of products are there in the prevention of corrosion? Here observe, there are 3 test tubes. In that they mixed one rusted iron nails, this water and air. Air is nothing but oxygen. Here iron nails are appeared for water and oxygen. Next is oil and boiled water. Here when the oil is there, the oxygen does not enter into the water. It will be stopped to the water into the bottom surfaces. So here iron nails appear to the only for boiled water. And next is anhydrous calcium chloride. Here the zinc granules or air is converted into dry air. So here the oxygen wet air does not produce. Here dry air is produced. Think about this is also oxygen. So here we will conclude that the first tube iron nails will be converted into rusted, because here the iron nails are absorbed by oxygen and water. In second test tube, the iron nails does not rusted, because here iron nails is absorbed by only water. No, here oil is stopping the air. So here we will conclude that the water is only absorbed by iron nails. In third test tube, there is no air and there is no water. how the iron will be converted into rusted. So here we will conclude that in first test tube, the iron nails will be converted into corrosion, nothing but rusting. Corrosion is also known as pyrochemical process, the rusting of iron. So here we will conclude that the first test tube iron nails will be converted into corrosion. Do you know, friends, how we prevent the corrosion? In the presence of kerosene, in the presence of paint, we will prevent the corrosion. When any metal absorbed by the paint or any kerosene, it will be extracted by oxygen and water. So here we will conclude that why the metal are absorbed by paint. The paint contains CO2, no? And the oxygen does not produce in the paint or kerosene. So here we will conclude that the metals are absorbed by paint, why the rusting will be occur. The rusting does not occur in the presence of paint and kerosene. So here we will conclude that the prevention process will be occur in the presence of kerosene and paint. So here the metal also will be extracted by oxygen and water. By this process, the process of corrosion is going. And next topic is, in this lesson, blast furnace is there. This is very important diagram for public exam. Here this model is known as, in our houses, chimney is there, no? This is the process. Here first firebox. Here the heat process will be occur. And this is the ore extraction process will be occur. Here the extraction of ore will be processed from their ore. Heat air and heat. In the presence of heating the metal, the ore will be extracted into the metal. So here we will conclude that with the help of pyrochemical process, the reverberatory furnace process will be going. In this lesson, very important diagrams I will show. First diagram is, this is for 4 marks. This is also for 4 marks, magnetic separation. This is also for 4 marks. In this lesson, very important diagrams are 3. Flotation, reverberatory furnace and magnetic separation. The same question asked in public exam previously 4 times. This is in this public exam, the 3 diagrams will become at 4 marks. In this lesson, very important process is there. Smelting, roasting and calcination. These questions is very important for 1 mark, only for definitions. The same question asked in public exam previously 2 times. What is smelting? Smelting is nothing but it is pyrochemical process. This process occur in the presence of heat. It is nothing but purification process at low melting point. And next topic is roasting. What is roasting? Yes, exactly. Roasting is nothing but, roasting is a pyrochemical process. It will be heat the metal in the presence of air. And the calcination process. The calcination process will be occur in the absence of air. The heat will be occur in the presence of calcination process. So here we will conclude that smelting, roasting and calcination process occur in the presence of heat, and the absence and presence of air will be occur. Before I am leaving the seminar, I want to repeat the important questions. 1 mark, 2 mark, 4 mark and 8 mark questions. First question is, what is metallurgy? What are the arrangement of reactivity series? Explain the formula and their words with the help of symbol of metal. How the metallurgy process will be occur? Which type of levels are there in the concentration of ore? What is hand picking? What is flotation? What is magnetic separation? Explain the diagram of flotation and the magnetic separation. How the extraction of fluid metals will be occur? What is purification of the ore? What is distillation? What is liquation? What is boiling? How the corrosion process will be occur? Explain the lab activity. The corrosion process will be occur. How the prevention of process the corrosion will be occur? Which type of materials we will use for the prevention of corrosion? Explain the smelting process. What is roasting? What is calcination? In this lesson, very important questions for public exam is explain the diagram of Roth flotation, aggregate separation and reverberatory furnace, and explain the lab activity for prevention the corrosion and observation the corrosion. So here we will conclude that the very important questions are 4 marks for diagrams, and in this lesson for very important for diagrams only. I hope you are all understood my seminar. Thanks for spending your valuable time for listening my words. Stay home, stay safe.